Hi guys, welcome back to Class of Planning. You are with Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide. And this class is all about those who are taking online classes and those who are watching my videos on YouTube. Guys, we need to clear one thing in your mind that this is the first class that I always give the students. Those come to me for aspects of language. So, aspects of language के लिए when you come to me, now how would I really start teaching you guys? The first thing जो आपको दिमाग में होनी चाहिए that you need to clear from the beginning till the last. There's lots of students who have been saying that sir please do speak on in English, but I do have the viewers those really understand Hindi better. So guys, I need to use certain Hindi words so that the people can easily understand each and everything. So first half we need to clear about this particular paper that we need not to do everything. The first thing you need to clear in your mind that to crack this paper with at least 80 to 90 marks, you need not to do everything. Especially the unit number 3 and 4. Yes, I am talking about that structure where we're going to have the phonetics, phonology, morphology, lexicals. These are terms are there. These are the main terms. Those are there. And when you're going for that, especially the articulation system, how are you going to work out the pro over the diphthongs and other things? These all do come in a first half. Very first class for aspects language, and I'm telling you that what not to do, guys. Why you people need not to do these? Because these things really need a lots of time, and the secondly that not everyone have that much time to give and clear all these. So is we are going to leave everything? No, we are not going to leave everything. We're going to work out the selective part from them. And for that you need to watch the videos, and those who are taking an online classes, I'll definitely give you all the links of that videos on your phone, guys. And those who are watching me on YouTube, guys, don't worry, just take a chill pill, as lots of videos on this paper are already on the board, and I'm going to upload more in the future. So let's start with the basic terms, that how we're going to start preparation and what things we need to keep in mind while preparing for this paper. The first of all, we need to clear the structure or the pattern of the paper that will come in an examination. So how we're going to get the paper होगा कैसा, उसके क्या concept होंगे, we need to clear that. And then come up to the second part, that is how we guys are going to get the maximums. So first we need to clear here. You can look at here. This is short paper that you're going to have an examination. ऐसा पेपर होगा आपके एग्जामिनेशन में. सर पहली क्लास में you're telling us that कि पेपर का पैटर्न क्या होगा, हमें कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करनी, ये तो मैं बताऊंगा. उसके साथ मैं बताऊंगा कि आपको आंसर्स कैसे देते हैं. How you guys are going to write out these answers? तो first up हमने क्लियर किया सर we are having the paper. Yes, I'm having the paper in my hand. ये पूरा का पूरा पेपर एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि इस बार इसमें से 70% पेपर होगा. तो अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं फॉर दिस पेपर, तो आपको क्या स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करनी है और कैसे लिखना है पहले क्लियर करना है. तो बिगिनिंग पहले क्लियर कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट आप वी आर हैविंग अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एज अ कंपोजिशन. सो मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली इस पेपर में 4 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, 25 मार्क्स ईच. अब जब बात होगी यहां पे इफ वी आर 25 मार्क्स फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन, then the one thing comes in mind, so we need to write more. Yes, the most of the students do worry about it. So 25 नंबर के लिए how much we need to write now, and how can we write each and everything in a perfect manner that will get the maximums. As in 100 out of, really frankly, I'm saying that not 100 or is 60 or 70 out of 100 got failed in this particular paper. So fail is the reason कहते हैं सर आंसर तो पूरा लिख के आते नहीं, यहाँ जितना लिखना था वैसे लिखते हैं और जो लिखने का तरीका था उसको फॉलो नहीं किया. And those who flunk, seriously those who flunk, उनमें से 80% क्या करते हैं, रीचेकिंग रीवैल्यूएशन नहीं जाते. They immediately go for revaluation and rechecking. Every university have some limitations. इग्नू में भी है, पेपर में कई बार गलती होती है. गाइस अगर आप वो श्योर हैं दैट इट वाज द बेस्ट पेपर, देन इमीडिएटली गो फॉर रीवैल्यूएशन रीचेकिंग बोथ. डोंट केयर द मनी, द शॉर्ट ऑफ मनी दैट यू गोइंग टू स्पेंड ऑन दैट रीवैल्यूएशन रीचेकिंग. वो एक फी है, उसको पे कर सकते हैं, बट आपका रिजल्ट अच्छा होगा, ये कंफर्म है. कई स्टूडेंट मेरे ऐसे कर चुके हैं, उनका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा रहा है. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे, दैट इज कि पेपर कैसे उन्होंने प्रिपेयर करना शुरू करेंगे. तो ये फर्स्ट क्लास थी उनके लिए जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू की, और उनके लिए जो देख रहे हैं कि सर मॉक टेस्ट पेपर कैसा होगा, इस बार पेपर कैसे आने वाला है, तो उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास है. एंड देन इसके साथ हम शुरू करेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास की पूरी सीरीज. तो फर्स्ट आप लोगों के लिए यहाँ पे शुरू होगी. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट द फॉलोइंग. शॉर्ट नोट है आपके पास, अब इनको तैयार करना आपने कहा शॉर्ट नोट शुरू हुआ नंबर 1 द ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज से। तो here we are come with the short note. It's all about the first part, origin of language. तो हमें क्लियर हो गया सर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपने दे दिया दैट्स द ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज, यू नीड टू मेंशन अबाउट द ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज। अब आपको ध्यान रखना राइट एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, किन्हीं दो पे लिखना है एंड इट बी ऑफ 25 मार्क्स। तो खाली सिर्फ डेफिनेशन देके नहीं छोड़ सकते आप, आपको पूरा क्लियर करना होगा। ये वो सबसे बड़ी गलती है जो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट करते हैं। यू गाइस नीड टू डिफाइन इट इन डिटेल, discuss all the pros and cons and everything that is in your mind regarding that short note. Yeah, it be written as a short note, but you need to comply or explain in details. The first and the foremost thing you guys have to do for this particular answer. And the second we are having competence and performance. Competence and performance, and then we come to the C, that's allophones. And the last we are having that is language variation. All my online students, really check out, you do have all these notes with you, so that check out all these answers, the detail that will be written over there. You need to follow each and every detail, and while writing that answer you need to check out that how you explain each and everything in a better manner. That is the really important, ये आपको ऑन टिप होना चाहिए। तो फर्स्ट हमारे शॉर्ट नोट कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, कैसे कोई भी चार टॉपिक आ जाएंगे जिसमें मैंने अभी ये कुछ भी हमने सम अप किए, चार उठाए, आपको दे दिया, आपने कहा इसके आंसर कैसे लिखने हैं, हाउ we expect or the teacher expect from us to write an answer. पहली चीज, you need to know the art of writing first and the foremost thing, and please don't try to make a fool of the teacher. Lots of students try to elaborate the things in a different manner so the teacher get confused and gives you the marks. Sorry, it's not there. It's as per language the only paper in a first year for MEG students where the logic works from the beginning till the last. So don't try to cheat the teacher here. So you need to give the answer, सिर्फ वही चूज करें जो आपको परफेक्टली आते हैं। सिर्फ एक रफ आइडिया आप आंसर लिख देंगे, सॉरी नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे guys. Come up to the next question. Here we are. Then you have the question number 2. That is how and why did language originate? What are its most important functions? How and why did language originate? What are its most important functions? Now you can check that the first question, original language, and the first question we are having full fledged are almost same, except that we are having what are its most important functions. क्या ऐसा हो सकता है पेपर, क्या do you have a chance that these sort of question would come in a paper where the how the answer was being given a short notes? ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है, बहुत बार, एक नहीं बहुत बार हुआ है। तो गाइस डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, और अगर ऐसा है तो यू कैन फॉलो द सेम थिंग एंड डू एट द लग्जरीज, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर परफेक्ट इन दैट आंसर राइटिंग, because here we need to sum up almost 10 to 15 marks in a two parts because the 25 marks answer. Come up to the next part here, discuss डिस्कस साइंटिफिक इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन ओल्ड इंग्लिश। तो गाइस मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम यहां पर होगी जब हम बात करते हैं ओल्ड इंग्लिश, मॉडर्न इंग्लिश और द मिडिल इंग्लिश। We never go through by the old English. Actually, that we stayed to the 450 to 1115. सर ये फेज होता ओल्ड इंग्लिश बोला था। हमने जब से शुरू किया 1115 से शुरू किया, 1115 से 1400 आए, 1415 से 1700 तक आए, देन फिर मॉडर्न इंग्लिश पे आ गए। हमने कॉन्सेप्ट ये किया, बट एंग्लो सेक्शन से पहले की इंग्लिश को ओल्ड इंग्लिश कहते थे। उस कॉन्सेप्ट को पूरा क्लियर करना, उसके पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट को बताना, ये है वो आंसर। एंड द मैक्सिमम ब्लंडर्स जो करते हैं स्टूडेंट वो क्या होता है, वो होता है सिर्फ एक इंट्रोडक्शन देके आंसर को छोड़ देना, व्हाइल डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट्स अ 25 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। You need to clear that in this particular answer the complete ACT must be followed. What is the ACT? Remember not if you really seen my video first time definitely नहीं पता होगा तो guys उसके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना so that you can access all my videos. Then we're going to clear each and everything. That is analyze the question concept and then come to the basic test that was required by the examiner. Jump to the next question, question number 4. Here we are. Distinguish between word as a physical shape and as an abstract entity distinguish between word as a physical shape and as an abstract entity. So you need to clear the concept of the word. अब इसके दो concept हमारे पास आते हैं, that is the word is a physical shape or abstract entity like phonology and orthological words. I repeat, phonology and orthological words. अब सर ये वो यूनिट आ गई दो जो आपने छोड़ने गई थी। मैंने मेंशन किया था कि कुछ बेसिक पॉइंट्स जो मैं क्लियर कर दूंगा जो आपको ऑन्टोलॉजी वो क्लियर हैं। वो सारे के सारे मेरे नोट्स में दिए हुए आप लोगों को, आप डोंट नो टू वरी अबाउट इट। You can just stuck to the basic and clear each and everything. Then jump to the next part. Here we are having the fifth question. This is the easiest question we're going to have. Explain and exemplify language variation in terms of dialects, style and register. And make sure these can come in examination short notes. Dialect, style and register. तीनों के तीनों ऑन्टोलॉजी आपको पता होना चाहिए क्या है, कैसे लिखेंगे, लिखने का तरीका क्या होगा, क्या बेसिक्स फॉलो करने हैं, एंड हाउ गाइस इज गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर इन अ परफेक्ट मैनर सो द रीडर वुड गिव अस द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. Jump to the next part, that is the question number 6. Here we are. Discuss the role of, I repeat, discuss the role of attitudes, motivation, in language learning, discuss the role of attitude motivation in language learning. What is attitude learning or attitude motivation? How it imply you to learn the language in an easy manner and how it will beneficial all of us. We need to see this. Then come up to the next point. That is the last question we are having for this mock test. So here the question, what is synthetic constituent? How would you identify it? Now listen, the basic thing that I'm going to tell you all about the paper MET04. First and the foremost thing, from the very first day you guys start writing the answers by your own. Yes, you do have the notes, you can follow the notes like an open book test series, but start writing the answers. And the second most important thing, you need to clear everything that was asked in that particular question. Don't try to change the basic pattern of your writing. It means that something was being asked and you're writing something else. Sorry, it's not been there in the particular paper. Yes, you cannot do this in as per language. And make sure your basics must be strong. If you follow all these strategies, definitely going to rock in this particular paper and get least to least 70 to 80 marks. Till then, keep watching, like, share and subscribe if you think it's worth to watch, and make sure that you guys are going to write everything as been said in this particular video. Bye guys.